Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my update for the Graveyard Project pan that I'm doing with several other ladies. The master list will be listed down below in the description box. I finished 3 things. um, this is a rolling project, but there's only 1 month left in the project, so I'm not going to be rolling anything in. What I do have left in the project is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Exfoliator, and I'm also working on the e.l.f. Makeup Remover Balm. So those two, it probably will take me a month to finish those. So anyway, what I finished is the ROC Daily Resurfacing Discs. There was 28 of them in here. So that's why I didn't really work on the exfoliator, because I was working on this. So now that this is done, I can focus on the exfoliator. I have this Tatcha Pure One Step Camelia Cleansing Oil. This is done. One of my favorites. I will repurchase. And then I also finished up the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I really like this. This is just a sample I got from Ipsy. I will get the full size once I go through some more primers. So I'm not rolling anything in, like I said. So that's it. This is a short and sweet little update. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like panning videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you'd like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.